Welcome back. This is the Casio fx-991cw, and it will do matrices. What we're going to do is we're going to multiply two 2x2 matrices. All right, we're going to do A and B, which is right here. All right, so what we'll do is we'll go home, and then we'll scroll somewhere up and down until we see matrix. Then we're going to execute. Then it says press tools to define matrix. So tools is right here, so we're going to press that. Here's matrix A, so we're going to execute. We're going to define a new matrix, so we're going to go down, enter. And if I'm going a little too fast for you, by all means pause and review the video. So what size? Well, the rows, execute, we're going to do 2. The columns, we're going to execute, we're going to press, I guess not, can't press 2, we're going to scroll down, 2. So do 2x2, we're going to confirm, and here it wants you to add the numbers. So 1, execute, 2, execute, 3, execute, 4, execute. So now we have a matrix, 2x2 matrix, and we can go back to tools, I think, right? Or we can go back and press on, which takes us out. We're going to do it again. We're going to press tools. There's probably an easier way out to get out of that, but for now, we're going to do matrix B. I'm going to enter. We're going to define it. We're going to press execute. And let's go back up again. Press execute. We press 2. I guess this is the OK button. Interesting, I just found out. Execute. 2 columns. OK. And then we're going to confirm. Oh, we can press OK here. And now we're going to do 5, 6, 7, 8. 5. Execute. 6. Execute. 7. Execute. Just find out. 8. Can we press OK? I guess we can. Okay, and contrast here, let me make sure, okay. Let's press on, and it does kick us out. Okay, great. So we have 2 matrices now, and I want to multiply. How do I do that? Well, we go to catalog, matrix, press execute, and we're going to do matrix A, execute, multiply, right? Catalog, matrix, and then B. Multiply, and we get these values, 19, 22, 45, and 50. Wonderful. We can press on again, and then we can say 6 times catalog, then the matrix for A, and you can see that we can do these calculations very easily. If you go to catalog, you'll see if you go to matrix and execute matrix calculations, looks like you can square it, cube it, inverse, determinant, transpose, and do other things with it. Okay, so that's it. That's how you multiply 2 2x2 matrices on the Casio fx-991cw. You can also add as well and do other functions. But if this was interesting, please give it a thumbs up. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends. Please look at our other content in the channel. We're trying to reach 10,000 subscribers. You know, with you talking to your teacher, your friends, subscribing, and watching other videos, we'll make it. So thank you very much. If you have a question, please put it in the comment section. If you have some ideas of some calculations, please do. And also, there is a video that I used a local LLM to do these problems as well. You might be interested in watching that. All right, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.